Hi, this is Accutek Car Audio Visual in Winchester. There's a Defender 110 that we've done, and we've installed a KENWOOD DMX8021DABS into this Defender. We've also done the doubled in conversion, which is we put the extra switches here, so it allows us to put the doubled in the factory location. If I pop the ignition on, we've also done a screen upgrade, so it comes up with the Land Rover logo, which is a really nice feature, which are available on most KENWOOD units. This unit has got Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, digital radio. It's got multiple camera ins as well. This particular one's got a camera using this direct button here. You can see behind. There we are. There's the CarPlay view, which is really nice. You've got all the normal CarPlay, really responsive screen, very nice and easy to use. This has also got the DAB, which if I go to home and go onto DAB, there we are. So you can see there, it's really nice, quick and easy, just a direct feed like that. It does also come up with a it also comes up with reverse camera. I'll put it in reverse. There we are, and it's done it via the reverse trigger as well as the button on the front. If you'd like to have this done in your Defender and the conversion, then please give us a call on 01962 886 900. Thanks for watching.